morning, students. I am Professor R.T. Prasad from Electrical and Electronics Department, SIRT College, Bhopal. Today, we will discuss the triple E subject, that is Environment, Energy and Ecology System. In this subject, we discuss about the ecosystem. Today's the topic is ecosystem. What is ecosystem? What is the definition of ecosystem? What is the concept of the ecosystem, structure of the ecosystem and function of the ecosystem? Let us start. This diagram shows the ecosystem. What is the ecosystem? First we know about the what is ecosystem or concept of ecosystem. Okay, let's start. Concept of ecosystem, that is everything in the natural world is connected. Plant and animal depend on each other to survive. This connection of living things to each other is called biodiversity. These plants and animals within an area interact with each other and with non-living elements of the area such as climate, water, soil and so on. दिस मीन्स कि जब भी हम इकोसिस्टम की बात करते हैं, इकोसिस्टम, और जब भी हम सिस्टम की बात करते हैं तो सिस्टम का मतलब होता है कि कुछ चीज़ें एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होती है और वो एक दूसरे पर डिपेंड होती है कि अगर सिस्टम में एक चीज़ में डिस्टर्बेंस आ जाएगी तो दूसरी चीज़ में नेचुरल है वो प्रॉब्लम आएगी. तो दिस इज़ दी system. What is the definition of system? When we talk about the ecosystem, and this subject is related to the energy environment, and this connected to the environment, that is कि जब भी हम बात करते हैं स्टूडेंट इन्वायरमेंट से रिलेटेड, तो यहाँ पे इकोसिस्टम का मतलब है कि ऐसा सिस्टम जो लिविंग थिंग भी सर्वाइव कर रहा है, नॉन लिविंग थिंग भी सर्वाइव कर रहा है. ठीक है, लिविंग थिंग सर्वाइव कर रहा है इसका मतलब है लिविंग थिंग जिसको हम बायोटिक बोलेंगे, और नॉन लिविंग थिंग का मतलब जिसको हम एबायोटिक बोलेंगे. मतलब लिविंग थिंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग का एक साथ रहना, एंड दिस डिपेंड ऑन ईच अदर टू सर्वाइव. दिस इज कॉल्ड, और दिस इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ द ecosystem, right? Ecosystem is a community of living organism in conjunction with the non-living components of the environment, things like air, water, mineral. When we talk about the ecosystem, there is the two parts of the ecosystem, or two components of the ecosystem, that is biotic and abiotic. When biotic component is connected to the component and live together, that this system or this connection is called ecosystem. And when we talk about the ecosystem definition, then the ecosystem is a community of plants, animals and smaller organisms that live, feed, reproduce and interact with in the same area of environment. And the system is a complex set of relationship among the living resources, habitat and resident of an area. It includes plants, tree, animals, fishes, microorganisms, water, soil and so on. So this is the ecosystem definition. Okay, and when we discuss about the ecosystem, so first we have to know that what is ecology. This term coined by Ernst Haeckel in 1869 and derived from Greek words. This ecology system or ecology word derived from Greek words, that is okios and logos. Okios mean living or home, and when we talk about the logos, logos mean study or learn something. So this ecology is the study of organism in their natural home interacting with their surrounding. Okay, or we can say ecology is the study of the ecosystem. When we discuss about the ecosystem, let us know what is this. A biotic community live in abiotic environment called biotic. Biotic community means biotic means life or a living part. This is living thing. And when we discuss about the abiotic environment, that is abiotic means non-living environment. When we, or we say when we lived biotic community lived or depend on the abiotic means non-living environment, that is called biotope. So biotope is none other than or it's a provide material as well as energy to bio community inhabited it. Okay, बायो कम्युनिटी में रहने के लिए ये जो बायोटोप एनवायरनमेंट है दैट इज़ नॉन एनवायरनमेंट, वो हमें एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है एज वेल एज एनर्जी भी प्रोवाइड करता है. दिस शोज देयर इज एन इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन बायोटिक कम्युनिटी एंड इट्स एनवायरनमेंट. Biotic community and its biotope together, that is called ecological system or ecosystem. The term ecosystem, where it is come first, A.G. Tansley, this is the scientist and established the term ecosystem in 1935. कि when we discuss about the this term like living thing or a non-living thing like biotic community or a non-biotic or a abiotic environment, then we talk about this topic. Then we uh, total topic is known as ecosystem, and this system or ecosystem name is established as A.G. Tansley. So this is the ecosystem, and what is ecosystem, what is the ecosystem part, and when we discuss the structure of the ecosystem. Okay, when we discuss about the ecosystem, it is further divided into two parts, that is living or a biotic component and non-living abiotic component. Okay, when we further divide it into three parts of biotic component, that is producers, consumer, decomposer, and the non-living or abiotic component is divided into physical component and chemical components, and again further divided consumer into four parts, that is herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, and deciduous. So this is the structure of the ecosystem. Let next we have discussed the structure of the ecosystem. Thank you, students.